Hello and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. This is a small video of launch of 260 and 258 version. Uh, Let me set my tool. Okay. So now I have made uh, this was made long back, Elliott wave, and what I have done is I have made a forecasting because many people ask me previously. Also, I have made certain indicators based on price forecasting which would act as a magnet. The price would respect those levels, reach to those levels, and then starts its downward journey or upward journey. So this is a gold XAU USD chart, gold spot from O&R. And here we have two indicators. One is Elliott wave, Hari's WTA Elliott wave price and volume turning levels. Second one is Hari's WTA accumulation distribution level, version 158. So what is the beauty of these two indicators? Like first, I'll touch upon Elliott wave price and volume. So normally there is five wave patterns of Elliott wave, and I'll not get into which wave is greater, which wave would be shorter, and it gives price projection. So based on that, what I've did, I've made a indicator that would give because Elliott is somewhat it's a methodology or his work was more towards forecasting the levels and giving you a wave analysis. Though Wyckoff has a different approach towards wave analysis. So I'm a Wyckoffin expert, and as well as uh, I made Elliott wave. I applied Elliott wave principle in such a way that it can give us the key market turning levels. Sorry for my voice. So here you can see it will give you a price projection of future market levels. Uh, like either blue stands for higher levels and red stands for lower levels. And what I have seen is like market would react to this particular level once they are breached. Like for example, this was plotted and this was the level which was held as uh, support. Here we are expecting price to react at this particular level of this one, 3026.295, and it has reacted to this particular level. If you can see 3038.550. So this gives us extreme levels well in advance. If you are trading based on any indicator or any other like my tools or your strategies, you can use this to turning levels, elite wave turning levels for uh, forecasting the levels as well as forecasting the price as well as defining the key turning levels in the market. So it acts in two ways. First thing, it gives you a price projection of future, and second thing, it gives you a market turning level where market would react based on Elliott-based studies. So what I have did is like Elliott never incorporated volume along with his wave. So what I did, there are two components which are working behind this graphical representation, uh, price and volume. So comparing both the things, this gives us the price projection of future price movement, where the price is likely to hold a level and react to it. So you can plan your trade accordingly based on this one. And second thing, it works on any time frame, whether you trade on uh, 5 minute, 15 minute, or either you trade on 1 minute. So it gives you the price turning level. Like for example, on 1 minute, this was the future price prediction for high and for low. So as the trend is progressing, if the higher if trend is in upper direction, then it will give you key turning levels. Like for example, this for the turning level and then price falls back. But this level is yet to achieve. But this level was achieved at this particular point. So you can see this thing is very practical and very well in advance. It gives the level and it gives you a set target that market would definitely go into that particular position. Uh, there is a likelihood of price going upwards or downwards. And second thing, apart this is WTA Wyckoff accumulation and distribution. This is a Wyckoff based accumulation and distribution indicator, which can be applied on any time frame, irrespective of instrument. But this turning level is especially meant for XAU traders, and this can be made for other markets also, but it has to be coded in another way. So this elite wave price and volume turning levels, especially meant for XAUSD traders, that is gold spot. But distribution, accumulation, and distributions. So what is the main essence of this accumulation and distribution indicator? The main essence of this one is like transition of price from one from uh, supply to demand, and from demand to supply. So this is the exchange of interest or exchange of power taking place from, or exchange of contracts taking place from demand to supply. So there would be two outcome. Either if there would be an accumulation or either redistribution. So you have to be very cautious with. You have to be on the lookout for either price going to go like price going to go upwards or price going to go upwards once this area is defined. So price area can be defined at this particular point and this particular point. So this gives you, and like many people are stuck in phase analysis and schematics. So this indicator is developed in such a way that it will give you automatically the levels, and it will give you the area wherein there is right likelihood that this would be a accumulation, because always remember accumulation is something wherein price is about to accumulation. After accumulation, price is about to go upwards, and after distribution, price is going to go downwards. But same thing happens when there is an accumulation. After that, we have a reaccumulation, and then also prices go upwards, and after distribution, we have a redistribution. So these two things has to be kept in mind. Either this could be an accumulation level, or either this could be a redistribution level. So in both the ways, you get a price band. From there onwards, you can look out for a selling opportunity or buying opportunity. So this is it, and the allotment of this indicator starts from today onwards. So whosoever wants to avail this indicator, they can DM me in the link in the Telegram ID attached below, or on the WhatsApp attached below. Any traders, and this is a very excellent tool wherein, especially the turning levels, apart from this Wyckoff. So because I'll dive into more detail once for the people who are opting for it. So it gives you the levels of turning levels of market, wherein price has high likelihood to go and touch and then retrace or either change direction. So like for example, we have seen in 15 minutes, it has bounced back from this particular level. Give or take, it has bounced back from this particular level. So it gives you in advance, well in advance, uh, which levels are going to be. Like if it goes up, then this is the likelihood 3033.345 could be a resistance. And moreover, this accumulation and distribution, when it comes to accumulation and distribution, it calculates it gives us the wave format, so that we can write the trend as well as trend, and we can see if this accumulation is going to be held or not. So, and so this is it. So please wait for other videos, and if you want to opt for this indicator, you can opt for it. Thanks a lot for watching the video.